YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside. And you guys can check it out. Link will be down below. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. Either or. All you gotta do is check down the description and give it a click. So here we go, guys. We shall see what this is. Thank you for sending me this unit for review. And now you guys can get them. Oh, baby. What is this? Special wrapping. Ooh. Ah. Sweet. That's going to be a perfect day just to kick back, relax. Walk Hero. Check them out. I do believe this is Amazon, so like I said, either or, both links are safe to click. Comfort and support. To be your own hero. Yeah. Boom. I got big feet, so don't mind that. Gray slippers. Hopefully they fit. They should be good. I'm getting up to that age now where I'm gonna need some slippers, you know? Uh-oh. Why does it get stuck? So this should be a simple video. There we go. Whoa. Oh yeah, these will fit perfect. My big old feet. Look at that, looking bougie. Alright, this should be a find. I mean, you're not going to be playing basketball or running track in these, you know, just to get maybe the mail. If you want. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh yeah, and you smell. Ooh. Check out my shoes. Or slippers. Kind of look like shoes. Maybe pass them off as dress shoes at like a party or something, you know? People won't know. People don't care these days about that. These are nice. There's a logo right there. Walk Hero. Gecko Man. Gecko. There he is. Here. Little gecko guy. Yeah. Really nice stitched. Perfect. No damage. Nothing. So Walk Hero. This would be a good one. I'm going to put them on right now because it's, you know, getting late and old people's hours. So here we go. Walk Hero. We'll take the walk. Oh yeah, they fit perfect. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow. Alright. Huh. These are comfy. Oops. I don't know if you guys can see the color. Yeah. I'm walking around with these. Oh wow. America. So thank you guys. Look at that. Yeah, these fit perfect. See, my toes are just above the line. So big feet. But super comfy to walk around the house. So you won't make sure you step on any Legos or anything like that. Thumbtacks. But yeah, definitely. Super comfy inside the sole. And got some bounce to it. But like I said, this one around the house and whatever, you're good to go. These are nice. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Walk Hero. See ya.